Hey guys, this is Hunter Gatherer here. I wanted to thank everybody for streaming Howl at the Sun, which is available everywhere you get music. I wanted to give a quick shout out to all of the players that play on that track. I've got Emily Jams playing fiddle and mandolin and singing those beautiful background harmonies. Jamie Clark on drums, Max Jones in the second half with that gorgeous honky-tonk guitar, and Hans Christian tying it all together on bass. He also engineered, mixed and mastered the entire album. But of course, none of them are here with me today, so I'm going to show you what it sounds like solo. I've been out in the wilderness, I've been going buck wild, haven't been to town in a while. Beers have all been drunk now, and so are the boys, so we'll head in the city, make a little noise. We all came for a good time, ain't gonna call it a night, ain't soon gonna say goodbyes. After all, that moon is bright, and when all is said and done, we're gonna howl at the sun. Mask in the mud with a Steve perfume, and using a cowboy's nom de plume. Splash my face with water in the men's room, and now I'm ready to tie one on. We ain't looking for sainthood, looking for suds on our way to up to no good. Looks like it's bound to be a flood, and it's going down in the Northwoods. We all came for a good time, ain't gonna call it a night, ain't soon gonna say goodbyes. After all, that moon is bright, and when all is said and done, we're gonna howl at the sun. Now we're drinking fire, we've been drinking gasoline, we've been sipping Angostura, everything in between. Tomorrow morning it's bound to be a wreck, 'cause I'm nailing and gone and spend my old paycheck. We all came for a good time, ain't gonna call it a night, soon gonna say goodbyes. After all, that moon is bright, and when all is said and done, we're gonna howl at the sun. We all came for a good time, ain't gonna call it a night, ain't soon gonna say goodbyes. After all, that moon is bright,